From composing poems to scripting dramas to even tipping you about the possible interview questions, the benefits of the ChatGPT is undeniable. However, aside from the danger of ChatGPT replacing real jobs, it comes with financial threats, cybersecurity dangers, academic malpractices, etc. These are some reasons why the establishment wants to shut down ChatGPT 3. Let's find out more. A financial threat. The main reason established companies such as Google are against ChatGPT is its financial threat. OpenAI's ChatGPT is a chatbot that can generate in-depth information across the internet based on your search within the blink of an eye. You can get accurate and concise information without having to scroll through different pages. This is one feature that even the world's biggest search engine, Google, cannot do. Google can as well display results based on user searches, but you'd sometimes have to move through a number of different pages to get everything you're after. So if Google aims to make searching for information as easy as possible for users, why isn't there a comprehensive information-generating system like that of ChatGPT?
I just can't understand why.
The simple answer is that Google needs you to move around pages for information. The goal is to get people scanning through pages and possibly clicking on ads. That is how revenue from ads is generated. Washington Post, for instance, reports that some 81% of Alphabet Inc.'s $257.6 billion revenue in 2021 came from advertising, much of that being Google's pay-per-click ads. This is why ChatGPT is becoming a business model killer. With ChatGPT, you don't have to spend hours surfing on the internet for information. Neither do you have to click on ads. While saving users some time, the ChatGPT is working against Google's revenue-generating model, which is against the ChatGPT. The ChatGPT is a threat not only in terms of finances, it poses an even more dangerous cybersecurity threat. We will delve deeper into that soon. Stay tuned. Academic malpractices. By now, you must be aware that the ChatGPT can be used for various tasks, including writing assignments for students.
Doesn't that make us all happy?
It can be used to solve math equations, write essays, and even give possible questions you could face in exams. All a student needs to enter the right search, and within seconds, the work will be done.
This is gonna be fun.
Although there are occasional errors, the overall ability of ChatGPT to generate specific answers to questions is impressive. This has received major attention from schools, especially those in the US, such as Seattle Public Schools, Los Angeles Unified School District, Baltimore County Public Schools, etc., to ban students' use of ChatGPT. Talking about ban, Twitter and Stack Overflow have banned OpenAI and ChatGPT due to a number of reasons. Watch to the end if you want to know more about that. Many academics believe the easy access to information from the ChatGPT could reduce students' ability to critically analyze and solve problems with their brains. On the other hand, others believe that the chatbot could be advantageous to both students and teachers with the right regulations. For example, the ChatGPT could help make reading easier for students with lower reading and understanding abilities, or those with other languages as their first language aside English to easily translate and understand English text.
Isn't that amazing?
It could also help teachers to easily and quickly schedule lesson plans. Since there are no such regulations to ensure academic honesty and prevent plagiarism, at least for now, academic officials see it fit to block access to the ChatGPT. Subscribe to our channel for all the latest ChatGPT news and everything AI. We are here to serve you with the best and trending topics about artificial intelligence, cybersecurity, and threats. Yes, the ChatGPT is a chatbot, but don't let that deceive you. Its functions go beyond merely writing scripts and searching for everyday topics from the internet. It can go as far as writing codes. All you need is the right information and you'll be open to the unlimited abilities of the ChatGPT. And that is where it gets a bit scary. In as much as it could serve all the good purposes, it could as well be used for criminal activities. For instance, Checkpoint Research, an investigative agency, has found that a number of hackers are using ChatGPT to write malware. The American-Israeli agency reported that ChatGPT also has added some spice to the modern cyber threat landscape, as it quickly became apparent that code generation can help less skilled threat actors effortlessly launch cyber attacks. Aside from using the ChatGPT to create this Python-based malware that performs exactly what it's being instructed to, it could also be used for generating phishing emails, building scam websites, creating spam content, and spreading fake information. What a cybercriminal could do with ChatGPT goes on and on. That is why Elon Musk believes that ChatGPT is scary good. We are not far from dangerously strong AI. He further explains that once a small group with wrong intentions gain access to powerful AI like the ChatGPT, they could use it to harm others. As such, there is a need to regulate how the ChatGPT works. Bans. There have also been some actions taken against the ChatGPT, which do not aim to shut it down but to limit its access. First of these is Stack Overflow, a site where developers can ask and answer questions related to coding, temporarily banning answers from ChatGPT. This is because the site has recently been flooded with answers from the chatbot, which seem correct but contains a lot of misinformation. Stack Overflow believes this wrong information is harmful not only to users of the platform, but also to the image of the platform itself. As such, there is a need to ban answers coming from ChatGPT. The second ban is a ban from Twitter. The CEO of the social media network, Elon Musk, who was once a co-founder of OpenAI, the developers of ChatGPT, has placed a ban on ChatGPT, stating that, "I just learned that OpenAI had access to the Twitter database for training. I put that on pause for now. Need to understand more about governance structure and revenue plans going forward. OpenAI was started as an open source and nonprofit. Neither are still true." Although these may not be direct actions to bring down the ChatGPT, they go a long way to limit how effective the chatbot should work. Clearly, the introduction of ChatGPT 3 has ruffled feathers across the globe, and several key stakeholders will continue to take measures against it. In the next video, we go deeper into why Elon Musk demonizes the ChatGPT 3 despite being part of the founding team of OpenAI. Click on the link to watch it and do well to share it with your friends as well. See you next time. Bye!